Hello friends! Did you know that you can create editable Canva designs using Gemini AI? You don't need any additional plugins or a Canva Pro subscription to do this. Gemini AI can create editable Canva designs within just a few seconds. Open the Gemini interface and enter the prompt, social media post, Canva editable file, topic, real estate. Then click the Generate button. Gemini will ask you to connect your Canva account. First, open the Canva website and log in using your email address. Make sure you use the same Canva account that you want to connect with Gemini. Open the Gemini interface and enter the prompt, social media post, Canva editable file, topic, real estate. Then click the Generate button. Gemini will ask you to connect your Canva account. First, open the Canva website and log in using your email address. Make sure you use the same Canva account that you want to connect with Gemini. Once Gemini is connected to Canva, enter a prompt describing the design you want to create. It can be anything: a social media post, flyer, logo, presentation, or any other type of design. If you're not happy with the design, simply modify the prompt and try again. You can refine your prompt by adding more details about the layout, style, colors, typography, or overall look you want. To edit the design, simply click on it. The same design will open in Canva, where you can make further changes. You can add your logo, contact details, and customize the design according to your requirements. This is the result. Click on the Share option. Here you can share the post on social media. Please subscribe to the Design AI Studio YouTube channel for more videos like this.